Who are you and what are you studying in Turkey?
My name is Hilal İlhan. In Turkey, I study electrical and electronics engineering.
Why did you decide to do an internship in Germany?
Well, I decided to do an internship in Germany because I wanted to experience the engineering and technology sectors and also work in a multicultural environment. Additionally, the opportunity to explore Berlin and improve my German language skills was very appealing to me.
What are your tasks and projects at ZEKI?
At ZEKI, I work on simultaneous localization and mapping techniques, and also autonomous navigation using Bentley project's delivery robot and also Bear car. My tasks include conducting research, running simulations, and also testing on real robots. So far, we have achieved to create an accurate map of the office and drive the Bear car with autonomous navigation.
What do you like the most about your work here?
I really like the collaborative environment here. Everyone in the team is open to share their knowledge and also expertise. My supervisor is incredibly supportive and guides me through my tasks. It's also rewarding to be able to contribute to the ongoing projects.
What have you learned so far, or what new skills have you acquired?
So far, I have learned a great deal about real-life robotics applications, particularly in the area of navigation systems. I have gained experience in simulation softwares and robot operating systems. And I had the chance to work on both hardware and software tasks and really enjoyed the hands-on experience.
How do the universities in Turkey and Germany differ?
In my opinion, the approach to the education in Germany is more focused on practical courses, while in Turkey, theoretical learning has stronger emphasis. And I also think in Turkey, the top universities offer a better campus life.
What do you find better or more interesting in Germany?
I find the work-life balance to be better in Germany. I also appreciate the public transportation system here. You can go to a far place without transferring too much. And even though delays can occur sometimes, I would say public transportation in Berlin is still efficient.
Why should other students do an internship at ZEKI?
ZEKI offers a unique chance to work on real-life applicable projects, so it's a perfect place to gain hands-on experience. For me, it has been a pleasant experience because I worked in a field that aligns with my studies and my future goals.
What would you recommend to future interns to get the most out of their internship?
To get the most of your internship at ZEKI, I would suggest to always be open to taking on new challenges. Here, there are various projects regarding many different fields such as cybersecurity, smart cities, and transportation. Being curious and asking questions can lead to a more comprehensible learning experience.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.